Hello friends, I am Lahari. I am studying 10th standard in KRRM English Medium School, Kadapa.
Hello friends, I am Chetana. I am studying 10th standard in KRRM English Medium School in Kadapa.
Today we are going to explain about multi-cultivation process.
Let us explain.
What is integrated fish farming in paddy fields? It is nothing but growing fish in paddy fields by using the same area without impacting of rice, quality and yield. Integrated fish farming is providing by getting extra income has proven profitable. It has its own advantages and disadvantages. Rice and fish farming is widely practiced in Asian countries when it compared to Western countries. Farmers can get extra income. Integrated rice and fish farming along with main crop yield, and this culture controls insects which are harmful to paddy and reduces the risk of crop failure.
Site selection also plays an important role in rice and fish farming in paddy fields. It requires about 70 to 80 centimeters rainfall, which is considered as optimum for this integrated system. Fields having uniform contour and high water retention capacity as most preferred soils in paddy cum fish culture. Good drainage system is one of the important factors has to be considered the while selecting the soil in integrated farming system. Selecting the site should be free from flooding as stocked fish try to escape from the fields. Apart from these, prawns can also be cultured in paddy fields.
This is about our project multi-cultivation process.
Thank you for watching.